Hello everybody. So I am going to make the husband's breakfast. In the last video we did the granola, and in the one before that, as far as this little recipe goes, we did the blackberry jam from the blackberries we grew. I have some plain non-GMO yogurt, unsweetened. Usually I like Oikos, but this is just as good. And this is for my husband's breakfast in the morning. He eats at work. So I am going to take some of the jam that we made and spread that on the bottom. This is essentially your sweetener for that yogurt, and it's kind of like that fruit on the bottom kind. And we're just going to layer this yogurt and then a little bit of jam. And then when he eats this, he eats it with that, I'm so tired, I'm sorry. My body is saying we're done. He puts the granola on it when he eats it for the crunch. And he says a little bit of the jam goes a long way, so you'll have to figure out what sweetness level you like. So that's all I do, is layer it, and I think this lasts him 2 or 3 days. He has a refrigerator out at the base in his section that he can keep his food in. He told me today he was out of breakfast sandwiches, and this is just easier for me right now. Sorry about that. That was rude. So yeah, easy peasy, just a little recipe for you using our jam and granola, or crunchy granola. So I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, post them down below. If you liked my little idea here, a thumbs up would be really cool. If you haven't subscribed, please think about doing so, and I will see you guys next time. Good night.